The most common reason why your Galaxy S23 Ultra can't connect to a Wi-Fi network is because you have the wrong password. That's always the case, regardless whether you're connecting to your own network or to a public one. It is possible that the password was changed, so your phone can no longer reconnect to it. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S23 Ultra that won't connect to a network. But before we move on, if you have other issues with your phone and don't have a clue how to fix them, leave a comment below detailing the problem as we may be able to help. Now let's go back to our problem. What you need to do is to forget the network and reconnect to it. This will confirm if it's just a password problem or something else. So swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Tap Connections and select Wi-Fi. Tap the More Options icon and select Advanced Settings. Tap Manage Networks and tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. Select the network you want to forget and tap Delete once again. After that, go back to the Wi-Fi page and tap the network you just deleted. Enter the password and try to connect. You should know if it's an incorrect password or not, as you will be prompted about it. If you entered the correct password and your phone is still unable to connect to the network, then it's probably an issue with your router. To rule that out, you simply have to power it off for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After that, try to reconnect, and your phone should already be able to connect and have an internet connection. But if for some reason the problem persists, then there are other troubleshooting procedures you can try, such as resetting the network settings, resetting the router itself, changing network band, and even doing a factory reset if all else fails. When it comes to fixing network connection problems on your Galaxy S23 Ultra, or any Android device for that matter, the solutions cited above are often enough to fix them. So we hope this video can help you in any way. If you have other issues with your Galaxy S23 Ultra, please leave a comment below as we might know how to fix them. Have a great day!